Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I decided to draw a picture of myself as you have seen before. That's the picture. So I am aware that the year is coming to an end and it's been a really rough year, and today I decided that I am going to draw myself as an appreciation for my strengths that I have discovered throughout the year. But before I get into the video, I just want to say that I hope you guys are okay. I know it's been a while, but thank you for still sticking around and still waiting for a video to be posted. Hope that you guys are well. Hope you guys are preparing for the Christmas, a little cleaning, a little painting and them thing there. Yeah, but yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So yeah, basically, all my life, I've been a fighter, and I feel like this year I had to fight even harder. And I don't know, like something about this year just did not sit right with me at all, and I couldn't make sense of it. This year was full with a lot of confusion and frustration and bad feelings, self-blame, and also lessons. I learned a lot about this year, things that I needed to learn. I also became even more self-aware, of my strengths and of my weaknesses and just my emotions overall. And I am aware of my values and my gifts, and I was able to feel everything. So, I give myself a lot of credit, and I am so proud of myself for surviving things that I thought I couldn't. And so I just wanted to draw myself as an appreciation for be like, Genelle, I am so proud of you. But yeah, I know that I have a good heart when so much bad and terrible and disgusting things that I could share about people in general that have done me wrong and hurt me. I know how it could destroy them, and even publicly, but I chose not to, and it's crazy how so much people love you and feed off your energy when you're up, but when you're down, there's not really anyone to be found. And I definitely saw the true colors of people even more this year. God showing me exactly who they are based off how they act and how they say things, necessary or not necessary. God definitely relieved a lot of the true intentions of people that was around me this year. So many times I realized that I have overshared in the moment, and later down when the person says something that I never expected, either to me or to someone else. And I learned not to really take things personal either. People act based on how they feel about themselves, and the best thing I can do is really smile and pray for them. So much times I try to push myself into certain things and push myself forward in general, but God is saying, no, Genelle, you're not ready yet, or that's definitely not it. And me keeping away from people doesn't really mean that I have other people around or that I am sad. The truth is I'm most peaceful when I'm alone in my own space. I don't know, but the more I meet people, the funner life gets, but also the more difficult it gets. And I have learned that you should only go to God about things you struggle with or things you go through, because people don't always mean good for you. could be a family member or a friend. Some things are just better left to God and God alone. And you'd be surprised to know how much people rather to see you sad and frowning than happy and up. You know, they may seem like they mean more harm than good in the end. And a lot of things has happened since the year started, and you know, things that I don't talk about with anyone, but I realized that God had placed me in a season of isolation and silence. You know, like I don't really have that much to say again. Things are happening, but God is just saying, shut up, Genelle. Be out the drama. Be away from all of that. Stay there, you know. And of course I have to listen. Why not? But yeah, I became so self-aware that I realized how I was starting to even hurt people in the same exact way, you know, other people have hurt me. And you know, I have to take a step back and say like, no, Genelle, that is not you. You know, realize that I can heal myself without anybody's support. So therefore, you know, me seeing how strong I am, and I don't mind being the kindest and nicest person in the group. And I'd definitely be the one where if you want to tear a group of friendship apart, I'm the easiest one to get to do that. But throughout every obstacle and weird days, you know, I still look up to God and believe that He did everything for a reason. No matter how much it hurt or destroyed me, you know, my name is Faith for a reason. I call myself that. And I think it just sticks right with me, you know, throughout everything that has happened, you know, growing up till now, and still believing that great things are out there still. I really have to call myself Faith, because I've been in like the worst possible situations ever, but I still look to God and believe, you know, in Him. And I don't regret anything, you know, experience that I had, no connections and failed attempts, no bad decisions. I am happy and patiently waiting for God to make His next move. And I still believe in the best, and I know that I deserve the best, and I know what it's not, and that goes for everything. This year, you know, has definitely been a character development year, and for me to be even more in tune with self-love. As it goes for 2024, I can feel that there's something big and amazing coming, something that was worth the wait and the confusion. And I definitely see my potentials, and I trust that things have a miraculous way of working out. You know, some of the best things of life haven't happened yet, and I know that every weird day is God's strategy of my preparation for what's to come. And you know, I'm so glad that I was built like that. I'm so proud of myself once again, and so I decided to, you know, draw myself as an appreciation and a gift to myself. Yeah. By the way, if you want to buy this, can get it for roughly 10 grand. Joking. I'm not selling this, but you know, thank you so much for watching and staying to the end. Also guys, I'm the one who created the animation intro at the beginning, and hope you guys like it. And also, if you want these pictures of the artwork, it's on my Instagram page at artsbygenel. Bye.